Alright, hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors out at my hunting property. It's a few days after Thanksgiving. It's a nice, cool, crisp day. The wind's blowing. I've been seeing some good bucks on camera, so let's go ahead and see if we can get one tonight. We'll see, I'm not sure. But before I go to my stand, I'm just going to make myself a little bit of a kind of a late lunch here. And what do I have? Well, you know, usually I'm famous for my one-pot Thanksgiving dinners. And this year I made a Thanksgiving burger for Thanksgiving to kind of show that kind of video. Well, today I've got some leftovers here, and I'm going to just cook this all in my Pathfinder skillet. So I've got some cranberry sauce, some stuffing, some dark meat turkey, got a little piece of cornbread, and I got some chicken gravy mix because I'm using all my turkey gravy mix at home to use up the leftovers that are there. But for now, I'm just going to use some chicken gravy to go along with all this, and I'm going to cook it all together in my Pathfinder 8-inch skillet. I've got my Pathfinder Canteen cook set. I'm just going to use one from my Canteen. I've got my Gerber Complete. I got my crock slider, and of course, as always, my Coleman stove. So I'm going to go ahead and get the stove lit, get this stuff in the pan, start heating it up, and then just basically add that chicken gravy, add some water, and we'll get it all in that pan and eat it before I go to the stand. So let's go ahead and get this stove lit and get this kind of meal cooked up. Alright, so I've got the stove lit. I got the nice flame on there. It's a little cool out, as I said. So I'm just going to take my Pathfinder skillet, and I have this as a kit because I have, as I explained before, I got my titanium spork. I've got the plate, I've got the broiling plate, and I've got the lid that comes with the skillet. So I know Dave's working on a new kind of kit with like a big spatula and a spoon and a fork that folds. It's going to come with it someday, so I know he's working on that, so that's kind of pretty cool. So let me go ahead and just get this locked in like this, and there you go. Skillet's all ready to go. I'm just going to put it on this flame right here, start heating that up, and I'm just going to drop this stuff in. So I just got some dark meat turkey, and I got some cornbread. We're just going to mush this all together. I got some cranberry. Alright, I'll get that in there. Oh yeah, and I got some stuffing. Just kind of put this right here. There we go. Alright, get these bags in the trash. Alright. Get that heated up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to let that heat up a little bit with the lid on, like this, and then let that heat, and I'll monitor that flame under there, and then as it gets a little bit warmed up, then I'm going to go ahead and add some of that gravy, kind of mix it all together. So I'll bring you back when I'm ready to do that.
All right, everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Signed Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciendscientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box.
Alright, well, it doesn't take very long for that stainless steel skillet to start cooking up stuff. So like that cranberry sauce is already sizzling real nice. So just trying to mush this stuff around like this. Break up the stuffing a little bit. I mean, oh yeah, this is going to be really good. I mean, I know it looks like a mess. It's just like a giant kind of hash of Thanksgiving, but I absolutely love this kind of stuff. So let me go ahead and right now I'm just going to add this packet of gravy mix, and I'm just going to add some water in there, and we'll let that all kind of simmer in there. So let's just do this. There we go. Get that all emptied in there. Perfect. Get my canteen of water here. There we go. Go ahead and mix that around. All right. we're gonna let this kind of just cook. Let that gravy thicken up. And this is gonna be absolutely amazing. Quick, nice, warm, little Thanksgiving leftover hash before I head to the stand tonight. So I'll put the lid on that, get it going, and then when that's just about done and thick a little bit and then warm through, I'll kind of bring you back and kind of show you that final piece of what we're going to do with this. All right, everybody, so it doesn't take long for this to get heated up like that. So stove worked perfectly as expected. Let me take that lid off, kind of show you that. Oh yeah, look at that. That is one nice pan of Thanksgiving leftovers. I know I did, I saw a couple of my previous videos when I did the one pot Thanksgiving leftover dinner or Thanksgiving dinner. This is leftover Thanksgiving in a frying pan. So this looks absolutely delicious. That gravy thickened up real nice. So I didn't have any turkey gravy, so I had to use my chicken gravy, but that's okay. This looks absolutely great. Cranberry, the cornbread, the turkey, the stuffing all mushed in there with that gravy. This is going to be delicious. It's nice and warm. So I'm going to go ahead and sit back and enjoy this leftover meal before I head to my stand. So thanks everybody for watching, and hey, just remember, this is something simple you can do too with some leftovers. Now, I had to bring a cooler with this stuff in it, obviously, right, because it was all in the fridge, but this is something that I don't think you could actually do on the trail. If you had canned cranberry, or you had craisins, or you had some canned turkey, stuffing I guess would be okay, but for me, this all came out of my fridge and my leftovers today, so what are you going to do? But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this meal. Thanks to everybody for watching. Get out there in the outdoors, do your own cooking. Any comments, drop them in there. I'm happy to answer them for you. And we'll have another video for you soon, so take care, everybody.
Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.